Hi, my name's Stefan, and today I'm going to be speaking on how to factor using the factoring ladder. Let's start off with a number like 48, and we want to factor it. We first list the prime numbers 2, 3, 5, 7, and so forth. And you always want to start off with the number 2. Basically, we're going to be dividing, but instead of going up on the top, we go down. I'm going to go 2 here. 2 goes into 48, 24 times. Now, basically, I'm going to repeat the process here. Divide by 2 again. 2 goes into 24 12 times. I'm going to repeat it. 2 goes into 12 6 times. Okay, now I'm going to divide again. 2 goes into 6 3 times. Now notice we stopped because we have all prime numbers here. Now, we call it a ladder because look at the form that we're using. It's a ladder. And so if you take 2 to the 4 times 3, you get 48. So we factored it using the ladder method. So that's the basic way of factoring using the ladder.